Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to get contacts from Google account. Please subscribe to the channel, watch the video to the end, put likes. Let's get started. To do that, we're going to go to settings. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom. And then we're going to go to mail. Then we're going to go to accounts. And we're going to add our Google account. So we're going to click add account. Then we're going to select Google. Now add your account. I have it already added. You write your email or phone number. Click next. Enter your password and keep clicking next. Then you'll see Gmail here. You click here. And you'll see your account. I already have one. Now you need to turn on these contacts. If you have them turned off, you need to turn on this slider. Once you've turned it on, you go to your phone. And now in contacts, you go like this. Look, you press lists. And here you have all your contacts, all iCloud, all Gmail. I don't have contacts, but you'll have your contacts. That's how you can get your contacts from your Google account on your iPhone. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel, give a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.